everybody, this is Dr. Ishwari. Today's session I am going to discuss the illustrations of cost of preference share capital. This is the one of the part in cost of capital. Preference shareholders are the owners of that company but not the real owners of that company. Here they will get pre-agreed value after the certain period. Means after the maturity period they will get the agreed value. So many times you can observe before that preference share capital one figure will be there, that is the 14% or 10% or 15% like that. So what is that figure? After that maturity period they will receive the certain value. So that's why most of times they can they should be mentioned before the preference share capital a figure, a percentage. So okay, let's come to the problem. A company issues 14% irredeemable preference shares. Irredeemable means amount should not be redeemed. It should be continue. Okay. Irredeemable preference shares of the face value of 100 rupees each. So here the face value is 100 rupees each. So flotation costs are estimated at 5% of the expected sale price. So here some flotation costs also there. That is nothing but the expenses. Okay, what we are going to be determine. What is the KP? KP means the cost of preference. If preference shares are issued at par value, means the face value, and 10% premium and 5% discount, and also compute KP. So cost of preference in these situations, assuming 10% dividend tax. Okay, let's come to the solution. First, we should identify what is the formula to identify the cost of preference. Okay, the formula is KP equal to D divided by P naught into 1 minus F. What is the KP? Cost of preference. So after the certain period, they will receive dividend. Every year, they will get the dividends. D nothing but the dividend. Dividend divided by P naught. P naught nothing but the initial value or the face value or whatever it may be. Into 1 minus F. F is the flotation cost. So this is the one method. In case tax and dividend should not be given in the problem, this method will be followed. In case if dividend tax and dividend given in the problem, this formula we need to be considered. That is D into 1 plus dt. D is the dividend, dt is the tax or dividend divided by P naught. P naught is the face value into 1 minus F. So this is the formula. Here we are having three situations. That is the par value and premium and discount. In these three situations, it should be determined the cost of preference. Okay, come to the solution. When issued at par, and consider the tax and dividend. So here the formula will be this formula. Here this formula should be applied here. Okay, KP equal to dividend. How we can determine the dividend? What is the formula? What is the face value here? 100 into how much? 40%. 40 divided by 100. That equal to 14 rupees. 14 rupees is the dividend value. 14 divided by 100 into 1 minus 0.05. What is the 0.05? This is the flotation cost. So 1 minus 0.05. That equal to 14.7%. So in case if preference share capital issued at par, the cost of preference will be 14.7%. In case tax and dividend will be there, then KP equal to D. What is the D? Dividend. Here we already find out. 40 rupees as the dividend, 40 into 1 plus. So what is the tax and dividend? Here 10%. Tax and dividend 10%. 1 plus 0.1 divided by 100. 100 rupees is the initial value, par value into 1 minus 0.05. 0.05 is the flotation cost. that equal to 16.2%. In case if they had to pay the tax and dividend, cost of preference will be 16.2%. Okay. So come to the second step. When preference shares issued at 10% premium. So how much of the cost of preference? Okay. So dividend we already find out the 14 rupees divided by P naught. So how much of the value they are issuing here? 100 rupees as the face value and 10% premium value, that equal to 10 rupees. 10 rupees plus 100 equal to 110 rupees. So 110 rupees is the face value here. 110 into 1 minus 0.05, that equal to 13.4%. So when preference share capital issued at premium, the value will be 13.4%. So cost of preference is 13.4%. Okay, when tax and dividend, KP equal to same like as 14 as a dividend and 1 plus DT. What is the DT? Dividend value. How much? 10%. 0.1 divided by. So what is the face value here? 110 rupees. We already determined here 110 into 1 minus flotation cost 0.05, that equal to 14.7%. So in this situation, cost of preference is 14.7%. And coming to the when preference shares are issued on the basis of discount. So how much of the discount they are issuing here? 5% of the discount. Okay. So same formula we are going to apply here. 14 rupees divided by. So how we can get 95 rupees? 100 rupees into discount 5%, that equal to 5 rupees. So 100 minus 5 rupees equal to 95 rupees. So this is the 95. 95 into 1 minus 0.05, that equal to 15.5%. So when preference share capital issued on the basis of discount, cost of preference is 15.5%. Okay. When tax and dividend, 14 into 1 plus tax rate 10% divided by 95 into 1 minus 0.05, that equal to 17.1%. So this is the method in case if they are giving irredeemable preference shares, if they are asking calculate on the basis of par value, on the basis of premium value, on the basis of discount. So this is the method we are going to follow.